Welcome to the Alienated Dads Network channel, dedicated to addressing narcissistic parental abuse. I'm Jason Appleyard, I'm your host, and this channel is going to cover, or does cover, narcissistic abuse, social alienation, and related high conflict scenarios. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Your journey towards a better understanding and recovery probably starts now. One of the things that I've noticed again and again is the ex being allowed to present their narrative that gathers momentum and is believed in family court, which can lead to gaslighting. This often triggers anxiety and emotional responses. Unfortunately, responses can add credibility to the false narrative and momentum, meaning no matter how great your evidence is, your presentation must be credible, confident, and emotionally stable. Otherwise, you risk appearing angry or frustrated, understandable given the circumstances, but unhelpful in the court process. This network is my response to what can be a corrupt and sometimes anti-father private family court system. This is your ultimate preparation, ensuring you're ready to prevent the failings that I made, and then having to spend years in family court trying to correct that narrative. I do not have a background in family law or law. I've got lived experience, and I'm currently doing adult education, completing a BA Honours in Law and Psychology, A-level. My journey here is unexpected. Anyone who grew up with me would know, well, they would not have predicted what I'm doing today, obviously. Honestly, I didn't even visualize it myself in this role. Aiding others in this fashion. My own childhood was marred with trauma. My parents' separation, which devastated the lives of my brothers and little sister. I'm the one that got away. Hence, I don't view the world with the same victim mentality as they do. I believe seeking therapy was arguably the best decision I ever made, even though it was the thing that I'd put off the longest, because I didn't think I needed it. But then, enduring what I allowed myself to go through with my ex-wife, that pushed me to an all-time low. I spent 8 years making the same mistakes I now strive to help other men and some women avoid. It's been tough. But over the last decade, I've developed a philosophy that, when followed truthfully and authentically from your soul, will yield a more favourable outcome in family court. I've supported over 7,000 dads directly, over 10,000 indirectly combined, with success in going through their motions. And it was only during the first lockdown when I was made redundant, there was no doubt I offer the best value for your money, whether you choose a pay-as-you-go option or a 12-month monthly plan or an annual payment. You will get a more favourable outcome using the family blueprint for success as taught by us at the Alienated Dads Network, powered by my Law Help for You group. And this is us. This is me. This is me giving my contribution, navigating the system that can often feel stacked against fathers. This is your ultimate preparation, equipping you to evade those traps and avoid dragging out legal battles to correct the narrative. The Alienated Dads Network is here to shield your children from the turmoil of family court disputes, helping you to articulate your situation with poise and precision. You may currently be navigating through a storm of emotions, anger, overwhelm, and frustration, all of which could muddle your clarity within the courtroom. Our goal through this course is to transform that chaos into a state of tranquility, confidence, and lucid strategy for controvertibly presenting your evidence before the court. Your former partner may be adept at provoking you, but within this program, we'll arm you with the techniques to master your reactions, ensuring you don't unwittingly play into their manipulative tactics or become entangled in their so-called drama triangle. You'll gain insight into constructing and advocating your case from the solid of a family court system, while paving the path towards personal healing and resilience. Completing this course means you'll have a fortified strategy to navigate the legal challenges, acknowledging that the scales of justice may not always tip in your favour. However, You'll be adept at leveraging evidence to safeguard the best interest of yourself and your children, all the while moving towards a life of confidence beyond the courtroom doors. I'm Jason Appleyard. I'm the guide on the journey. My anticipation to embark on this exploration with you is immense. Our initial step is diving into the instructional video that sheds light on the profound fears such as the loss of control and the echoes of generational trauma. There'll be some worksheets or something to download. You'll encounter these checklists corresponding with these topics. It's crucial that you pinpoint your deepest fears and abandonment, or discern the behaviors that lend credence to your assumptions, with the understanding that we will advance into this subsequent module, utilizing this knowledge to peel back layers of unmasked their authentic persona. Drawing from my personal odyssey through the shadowed views of family court and narcissistic abuse, coupled with my academic voyage in law and psychology, I've walked alongside, like I say, over 7,000 fathers, guiding through the labyrinth of legal battles and emotional turmoil. Narcissistic abuse is often entrailing trauma from the manipulation of gaslighting and emotional abandonment, or not only scars the individuals, but can ripple through generations, breeding cycles of distress to generations of families. Our mission is to break these chains, not only by equipping you with the courtroom, but by fostering an environment where you can reclaim your autonomy, heal from inflicted traumas like those of narcissistic abuse, and emerge not just intact, but empowered.